Hello, 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 hello. Ito kami ngayon. Nandito kami ngayon sa Eagle Ridge para sa Mulligan Ladies Cup 2026.
This one naman is for our dental mission for the kids. Kasi actually, marami talaga si Iping na iisip na gawing tulong sa mga bata. Aside from giving bags with school supplies, siguro kailangan this time i-prioritize naman yung health nila, lalo-lalo na sa ipin nila.
Nangyayari itong mga ganitong bagay ngayon kasi meron na naman kaming outreach na gagawin this coming August. Alam niyo naman yung puso namin ay laging bukas sa pagtulong, lalo-lalo na sa mga bata.
I want to say thank you to our gracious hosts, Kela SP, and of course sila Jen and the rest of the Mulligan Ladies. It's my first time joining Mulligan Ladies and wala talaga akong masaya. Sobrang saya.
We're the fighters, we won't stop, won't quit no matter the cost. We keep keeping on. We're the dreamers.
Ipe, again, congratulations for this another successful event of yours. Naisip mo lang to pero look how far you become. So I'm so honored to be part of your charity mission and also I am so proud of you as always na sinasabi ko sa'yo. Sana mas marami ka pang matulungan, mas dumami pa yung matulungan nating mga bata sa susunod. Congratulations again!
Hold your head up high. This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive.
Congrats, Mulligan Ladies! Sana marami pang matulungan mga bata sa mga susunod na taon.
Thank you, Engineer, and congratulations to your dental mission. Smile!
Reaching higher, always up.
Thank you so much guys for joining our Mulligan Ladies Cup. It's our very first and grabe, sobrang overwhelming and very, very thankful sa support nyo. I know na weekdays to, pero you take time na mag-join sa amin. And again, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. And also, para na rin, galing na rin sa pasasalamat sa mga batang natulungan nyo. Maraming salamat.
Hold your head up high. This is our
Salamat sa mga ladies, Mulliganers, sa support, sa tiwala, and I hope lumaki tong Mulliganers natin at maging masaya.